Okay, gray hair. Oh, it's a gray haircut, right?
It's a gray Hellcat.
Okay.
2021.
20. Oh, damn, they got a 21. He got a 21, y'all. Oh, she trying to see. She said she trying to see, y'all.
Come on, hit my
She got her. Okay.
She ain't got no car either.
Say, they going out, y'all.
Who don't got no car? Yeah, he trying to suck his dick on my daughter.
You can see that.
Let me see, man. Who need this medium? I'm trying to see who need it. You need this medium hoodie? I got them on sale. You need it, man? I'm Lookout Racing hoodie, man. I got them on sale for Christmas. I got the Christmas special this week.
What's the Christmas special?
Man, since it's the medium, man, 25. Oh, you can't fit it? I'm gonna keep it then.
Take it home.
It just sound good. I was just trying to make it sound good.
Yes, sir. It's just
Already. My salesman slow. You see. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel, right? Oh, she don't want to be seen, y'all. What happened? Oh, ain't nothing happened.
I want a hoodie, but I don't have cash.
What? Oh, you got Cash App, Venmo?
Is mine still on rednecks?
Oh, you need to get something wrong. Your app. You need help with your app.
I have
Yeah.
PayPal.
What about? I got PayPal, Cash App, all that. Every excuse you got, I got something for that.
Let me download it.
Download Venmo, Cash App, Apple Pay, Zelle. One of them gotta work, miss. One of them gotta work. She finna make it work, y'all. I think I got your size in the car too. Probably like a large. Oh, see what you want, a medium? I got it right here. I got medium right here. It's ready for you. Look, with the lookout on it, all ready to go. It match your hair. You can wash it and it's still gonna be there.
You got the large?
Huh?
You got the large?
Nah, I'm out of large. I just got medium and 2X.
Medium and what?
2X.
Let me see that.
Look, see that medium.
Okay, wait, let me fix it.
Yeah. She finna fix it, y'all. What size you need? A 2X, man? They run a little bit small.
You got a what?
Nah. I'm gonna re-up next week, man. Get some news. I didn't think I was gonna run. I ain't know it was gonna be going out like that.
How much is it? I got it.
Yeah, get her a crit. They 30, man. What size I need to get her? This medium?
You want to just take time right there.
Yeah, you gotta download it. You metro tripping, all that, man. Yeah, I got change, man. Here you go. Miss.
You're going to take time.
Yeah, you gonna take time, miss. Here, just hold it. Just hold it, miss. Feel on it. He care about you.
Yeah, she's going to be downloading.
Appreciate it, man. I sure. Nah, miss, you supposed to have that already downloaded.
That's business. You know, you running a business.
Yeah, I'm trying to run the business, miss. They said I'm doing a good job. I've been trying. I sure appreciate y'all too, by the way. I hope to see you in it up here with the lookout. I can just walk up on you. It's gonna be looking good. You can wash it and everything. It's gonna still be nice, bright red. What colors I need to get, man?
Red.
Red.
So I can match my hair.
Okay, somebody else said red today, so I got some red. I promise you, you're gonna see some red Lookout Racing hoodies this winter. It ain't even got all the way cold yet, so I still got time. I got new beanies coming, embroidered. Yeah, I'm bringing them too. Beanies, hats. I even gonna have ski masks. You wanna, put your ski mask on? You ain't gotta rob nobody to put it on. You just trying to stay warm. You can use it as a mask. Go in the store, use it as a mask. Tell them don't worry about what you doing. Tell them don't worry about it. Tell them they need to mind their own business. You ain't asking for nothing. That's it. Just go in there, do your thing. They gonna see Lookout Racing. After that, you gonna be official anyway. Dude, man. they got too much oil on the track, man. Hey, how long they gonna take? Yeah, I thought you was working here.
Man, you know it's running out there around that shit.
Oh, that's running.
Hey, he's on street fighter.
Dang, man, I ain't going all the way down there. They still talking.
Hey, come on. Tell them to put the Mustang up. Man roll. Hey, put the man roll.
That ain't even what they talking about?
Mustang on sketch.
I ain't even got no tires trying to.
Where my brother at?
Let me go see what else in the line. Nuke, what's the deal, man? Man, what's the deal? Y'all seen that? They ain't talking about
He trying to
nothing.
waste a 10 speed.
They talking
man.
about some on street tires.
It's all about that lookout racing, man.
They on street tires.
Let
They
them know.
can't do too much head with them street tires on. They ain't doing too much.
Hey, y'all make sure y'all get y'all merch, man.
Yeah, man, I've been going alpha today with it. I'm out of large and extra large. I've been selling out. I'm out of beanies.
Hey, we ain't gonna get a different color.
I'm coming out with red.
Oh, hell.
They told me to get red. That's good.
That cream color too.
Cream. Okay, I'm coming out with the red. I'm coming out with red hoodies next.
I need them all.
For sure. Red coming out next. Cause I done had that. You the third person. Red. I'ma do red with the black and the white. Ooh, what is they talking about? Look at they be getting so excited. You know everybody. Oh, I want some tacos, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Joe Bates need a 3XL, y'all.
Motherfucker sitting on
They attacking his ass.
That's 3, 4, and a 5.